have to specify if you want Ford or Chevy numbering, or some other custom numbering, but most everything out there is going to be Ford or Chevy firing order or cylinder numbering. The boxes are billet aluminum. They're made in the United States, right here locally. The board is also our custom design. It's made right here in the United States. No Chinese parts anywhere, no offshore parts. That includes the probes, the boxes, the boards, 100% American made. And this cable is the only thing that's going to be inside the car. When you order it, you specify the cable length you want, and I'll terminate the pins on the end for you, and it plugs directly into the Dominator. There's no extra power and ground or signal or anything else to hook up. It will come ready to go. It's all part of the purchase price. And then when you get over to your firewall side, you have to drill 3 small holes, about a 1/4 inch in diameter. Obviously I don't have the right holes here, but I'll just demonstrate. You run the wire through one hole, and then the 2 other holes are for the mounts, and the screws, stainless hardware does come with the kit for that, and you end up with a nice clean installation like that. And then your probes plug in this way on the side, and I did that so that they wouldn't be likely to pull out. And then you can loop all these together with cable ties or whatever down to your headers. So pretty trick setup, I think. I'm pretty proud of it, and it's only slightly more expensive than the CAN bus system from Holley. So I sell both, and be happy to hook you up with whichever one fits your needs better. These will be available for purchase pretty soon. About 3 weeks, I think we'll have a big batch of them ready to go. But I just wanted to kind of share with everybody where we're at with it, and get people to call in if they think there's something they might need. I'll get them on the list. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.